Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open some Happy Mail. I got some basics products basically from scrapbook.com, and I got my June Classic Pro Pipsticks kit. So I'm going to open the scrapbook.com first, that way later I can zoom in for the stickers and them. That way I can also get some fun stuff at the end. I'm all about the delayed gratification. And there were a few freebies. Actually, there were two. Let's see if I can get everything out. Just here. Nothing else here. So I needed an album for 2023, and they didn't have any black ones, so I went with charcoal gray. Although this one, it's marked black, but it's also marked 6x8. Okay, somebody got confused. But I don't mind at all. Like, it is what it is. I have to move the page protectors that I have with pictures and ephemera from the school and certificates and all that. Here it doesn't come with any page protectors, so I ordered these. This one is letter size is 8.5 by 11, and this one is 9 by 12. And here I put joints that my girls do, mainly the little one. Let me show you a little better. I have, oh goodness, this is so full. Okay, so this is from last year. But my little one loves drawing, so this is also from last year. And then here I have the stuff that my kids made this year, and certificates and other stuff. I showed in a Patreon vlog, you know, all the stuff that was laid out. You know how at the end of the school year they send every notebook and every single, you know, folder with 1,000,000 papers. So that day, at the end of the year, one of the first things I do, either that day or the day after, is that I take things that I find that are valuable, that are cool to keep. This one my little one gave me for Mother's Day, and I have other stuff for my oldest kid. So instead of, you know, taking a fuse tool, which I've done before, turn 12 by 12 into a 9 by 12, I sometimes feel way too lazy, so I keep adding and adding things and I never get to do it. So I just ordered these. I had a gift card, so I had to use it on something. So I have, very simple, this is all I actually know. I also got the Simple Stories sticker sheet. And this one is from Boho Sunshine, which is a collection that I really want. Again, this is information for something else. I really wanted this collection, but my gift card was like $50 and I didn't have an idea how to, like, it didn't give me the option to add a second card to take care of the rest. So I spent like $48, $49. I think it was like 49 and some change. So these are the items that I got. And I love these. Love the alphas, the little, I love how they come, it comes now in a little book. And the freebies were this hot foil plate. Now I don't have the Spellbinders technology item to do this, but I've been very tempted, and it was mark free, so It's something that I've had on my wish list for a while, so I'll keep thinking about it, and eventually if it doesn't pan out, then just give it to a friend. And this was also free. It's picked raspberry, and it's a distress spray. I don't do much mixed media, but it was free, and I do enjoy sprays. So this was very simple from scrapbook.com, and I'm gonna have the items that I got linked below, including the freebies, in case you want to get them. And now, oh, let's move on to the Pipsticks June Classic Pro Kit. Let's go closer. Oh, they're a little bit too close. And it's now the Pippy small snap. It's now small. It used to be a little bit bigger than the package. I don't know why they don't put it in there, but this is really cute. I love this. And the theme is summer solstice. Is it the theme? No. I think it is called summer solstice, but it's all about, you know, horoscope and stuff like that. It always has a note from Mo. Faces of the moon. This is so cute. Use the space to create a vision board for the season. My summer bucket list. Summer sun tea. That sounds good. It's like a recipe. And I think that here is a spoiler. Now, I'm not going to show it in case you get this and you don't want a spoiler. And also, they have spoilers on their Instagram all the time. Like right now, if you go, it's all about July. Like I know exactly what the theme is, so don't follow them. If you don't want to get any spoilers, this is like a crystal guide. I'm not really into horoscopes. My oldest kid really is. They have like a tarot deck and books and stuff about that. But I do, whenever I read like Virgo being like organized and stuff like that, or being annoying, I'm like, yeah, I can see myself in that. This is so pretty. And it has some foil. Love this. And I think my rock was sapphire, wasn't it? For September Virgo. I don't know. And then we have like these cute, they kind of look like mandalas with flowers and crystals. This is really cute. And I love these little items for the embellishment clusters. I thought these were gonna be bigger, but they're still pretty cute. I love these. I think my oldest might steal these from me. I love the Virgo one. That's another thing. Whenever they show like, oh, this color palette for Virgo, it sucks. It's like, this is very cute. This is the vinyl. I think it's the vinyl just from the back. This is very pretty. I honestly didn't see the other options. I tried to look at their Instagram a little bit less because of all the spoilers. I like to be a little surprised. Enough that I get to decide whether or not I'm gonna get this month's kit, but a little surprise. That's the good thing about having a bad memory. And these are beautiful. These are so cute. It's called Starry Night. And now you can get them individually on the website. I had a noisy neighbor, which I thought they were done doing whatever they're doing. This is Sage Advice. I can see it. It's very cute. Not my favorite so far. It's not bad, but eh. Okay, and then we have this one, which is Point to the Future. And this one is very cool. I absolutely love this one. His hands and very pretty symbols of the sun and stars. These I love because I can use these for my little embellishment clusters. It's pretty cute. Oh no, this is the vinyl item, which is mushrooms. That's kind of cute though. And I like the black background. These hands are very cool. I love this. And then we have these crystals. Again, really cute. I wish they've gone with the stars that are in the gems. That would have been cuter, like these sprinkles. But they're still very cool. Change is good. That's the name of the little sticker sheet. Another thing that I like about this is the lack of packaging. I know that I said it probably last video, but I hate like receiving a bunch of sticker sheets and then having a lot of paper. I love this more than I thought I would. I thought that this was going to be one of the duds. And this is the second time this happens that I'm like, I don't care for that one. And it ends up being one of my favorite items. It's very cool. Then we have bees. It's called Hive of Activity. And we got lemons, which apparently are a thing now. Lemons and strawberries are the hot fruit for this summer. And the beehives. Citron, I think it's this, yeah, this gem. These are cute. Kind of like 90s melancholy sort of vibe. And the alphas. Now, why am I going to complain about the alphas? Because they have no numbers. And the thing is, a lot of people use their Pipsticks for planning. So if you're doing bullet journaling, numbers would be very convenient. Love the colors. I love the font, and each one is different. Look at the two R, the two S's. They are gorgeous. And they have a bunch of A's, E's, and O's. Okay, so what is my favorite item? I'm not gonna vote from the scrapbook.com items because 2 of them I technically didn't order. Those just were the freebies. 3 of those are necessities, and it would be so obvious for me to pick this book. And I love the colors. I was, oh no, I was tempted to buy some of the collection, but again, I really couldn't. It was one of those like cash gift cards. I'm trying to open this to show a little bit more what's inside, but these scissors are not cooperating. There we go. These are gorgeous, and my daughter got Vitrola for her birthday. Love circles, very easy to use. I always love a good alphabet, especially one with so many numbers. I love this. Oh, I love these. The little banners are so cute. Man, now seeing this, I really want at least a 6x8 pad. Now that they don't do the packs for pocket pages anymore. I love those. I don't know why they stopped doing those. They're pretty cool. Okay, but so that would be my favorite, obviously. But from this pack, you know what? I'm gonna go with the, oh God, I can't. You know what? I'm gonna do a top 3 again because there's a lot of stickers here. So I can totally do a top 3. So I'm gonna do the alphas. These, although I like the animals a lot too. I like the hands. But these are pretty cool. Even though I'm not an astrology person. Now, they're the big box with the stationery items, that was a little bit more astrology heavy. It had such a cool sticker sheets that said it was like a Leo one with a bunch of Leo items, and it's so annoying. There, that box is $100, like, and I don't need 3 travelers notebook every month and a bunch of stickers and, you know, washi tape. They have washi tape too, and I love washi, but maybe it's one of those things that I would get once a year. Pretty cool. And now they have a sale. They're selling like mystery bundles and stuff like that. So if you've been wanting Pipsticks, but maybe it's too expensive, these boxes are pretty good deal. And have it linked below. I don't know where they expired. They're like, I think they have them until they run out. So we'll see. Let me know what was your favorite item. I'm so excited. Right now I'm gonna put these away and I'm gonna work on my December daily, but I wanna play with stickers. But that's okay. I'll get to it eventually. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.